So I've been searching on Amazon for a long time to find the perfect solution for my lighting situation in my tiny kitchen. I need to install something that is very easy to install, doesn't require wiring and all that stuff, and I think I found it. Now I've been using this nightlight for my washroom so I can better see at night, and it has been amazing. This is by a company called Lyrids, and I was gonna do a full review on it, but then I was like, let me check what other products they had, and then I contacted them and they sent me a copy because I was going to do a review for them. So I just want to say this video is not sponsored in any way. And I did pay for the night lights myself, but they did send me a sample so that I can test it out in my kitchen. And I have to say it has been excellent. So let's get into the unboxing. So first, let's unbox the Lyrids Cabinet Light 3. And now this is a 2-pack. And of course, you're going to have your motion sensor. It's rechargeable, which is the feature that I like the most. Has adjustable brightness and temperature, which is very important, especially if you want to mount this in the kitchen where you want more of a blue light so that you can better see your food. And maybe you want an orange light so that you cannot be disturbed at night. So maybe you want to put it in your bedroom, for example. It also comes with a 12-month warranty. So you can see that the installation uses an adhesive method, which I really like because I don't have to drill anything. I can just stick it on. It just makes the whole process of installing this a lot easier. Okay, so here it is. Now we got 2 over here and it's powered by micro USB, which is a little unfortunate, but I do have a micro USB to USB-C adapter. So here's the adapter. It's really cheap and I'll leave a link in the description for it. I recommend this because I have a lot of legacy micro USB devices that I still charge, like my camera. And yeah, so it's very nice to have. So here's how it works. You just plug that in. And now you got USB-C basically. Okay, so we can see that there's a little bit of Velcro over here. And here's the sensor. This is the sensor for detecting your light. You can position it in different ways so that you don't disturb you at night if you don't want it to be right. Here you can control the brightness. So here we have the off position. You can just turn it off. Then you can have night auto, so I guess it only turns on when it's dark. Then you have 24/7 auto, which is nice because maybe you want this to always light up regardless of how bright the ambient is. And then you can have always on. So here it's always on. You can see that it's comprised of 2 LEDs, one yellow and one white. And this helps make the color temperature happen. So basically you can control the color temperature by increasing which type of LED light is more emitted. Okay, let's cycle through the color temperatures. So here is very kind of like an orange color, warm color. So that's nice. That's really nice at nighttime. Then we can just increase it all the way towards the blue light. Now it's fully in the blue light mode. So that's very nice for the kitchen. So here's their smaller sensor light, which I really like to use. I use this typically in the hallway or in the bathroom. And honestly, this has helped me so much in the bathroom. And I know it sounds kind of weird, but like not having to turn on the light while you use the washroom in the middle of the night, use the toilet, and you're not going to miss anymore. That's really important. So this has been very handy. I like that it uses magnets. I just throw it onto a piece of metal and it just automatically sticks, but it does come with an actual adhesive metal plate that you can put anywhere so that you can just magnetize it really easily. Same settings, you have on, auto, and off, and it works very reliably. You can turn it on, then you can have it, you can adjust the brightness. And the same deal, it uses micro USB. So I'm just going to charge it up. So by now you've seen how you can toggle between the different color temperatures. You just tap this once and you can cycle through the 5 different color temperatures, right? Now if you want to change the brightness, all you need to do is long press it. So there's long press, it's getting really bright. And it's going back down. So that's actually very blinding and very bright, and I'm very excited about that because I have some areas that are really dark, and I think this is gonna do a really good job. So let's go ahead and install it. Here are some adhesives. So what you wanna do is just stick it on to the wall, and now you have this fuzzy part over here. So it makes it very easy to take it on and take it off. See, just like that. And it's gonna hold it pretty well. So yeah, very easy installation. I'm really excited to set this up. So here's a prime example where this would be really, really handy, this light. every time I want to reach and grab something over here, it's impossible to see. It's really hard to see. There's no light. And I don't have the time and effort to like drill lights there or like plug it to a plug because there's no plug around here. So this is going to be very, very handy. Let's install it right now. So you can see right here, it's a perfect place to mount this. All we have to do is put 2 stickers here and it's going to be very easy to mount. And what's really good about this is that I have no room to like plug stuff or, you know, mount something more sophisticated. So this is what this will have to do. Every time I want to grab some stuff here, it's really hard to see. So I want some light to come down here. So I figured the easiest way to install it is to put the adhesive on the Velcro already and then just take off the back cover and then we're going to stick it on. So just very, very simple like that. So here it is mounted. You can see it's nice and firm and I can remove it if I have to. So let's just. So there we go. So the stickers are nice in place. And if I just want to put it back on, just align the Velcros. Simple as that. So let's test it out. Let's turn it on. Okay, so that's the brightest you can get. And we're on a blue color. So in my case, I want to move the sensor towards me so that I can actually get some motion. So here's what I had to typically put up with. It's very hard to see stuff and it's really dim and dark. Now with the auto sensor, bam, right away I can see stuff way more easily. I can actually sort through stuff and, you know, find the appropriate things that I need. So this is a game changer. I'm really excited about it. So one thing I want to test is the difference between night auto and 24/7 auto. Okay, so right now it is off and it's on night auto mode 24/7. Let's see what happens when I turn it on. So yeah, maybe it took a little while to turn on. I wonder why. So to understand the difference between 24/7 auto and night auto, 24/7 auto, what it does is it detects motion all throughout the day and it lasts about 30 seconds. And then with the night auto, it detects motion only in the dark conditions and it also lasts about 30 seconds. So I think in this scenario, oh no, it does a good job. It's pretty dim. So I guess it automatically detects. And yeah, it's working pretty well even during the daytime. So I guess it's dark enough to detect that it's the nighttime. So the next place where I want to mount this awesome LED sensor, motion sensor light is in my kitchen area because I find out that when I'm washing dishes and stuff like that, I just like to have this light on. And all I have right now is this really weak yellow light. It's not ideal for cooking because yellow just makes it very hard to see the meat whilst you're cooking. So this little light here, that's all I got, honestly. So it would be really nice to balance it out and just put it over here and just have that very seamless type of look. And what I really like about this type of installation is that it's wireless. So it has its own battery. You just charge it every once in a while. You don't have to run any wires, so it's not going to look ugly. You're not going to have wires coming down. So the installation process is super easy and it doesn't require any drilling, just a couple of adhesives and you're good to go. So let's install it. So same as last time, just grab these 2 adhesives, put it on the light, and then just stick it on and you're ready to go. So the cool part about this light is that I can adjust the temperature. Unfortunately, this is set to a warm color. So I'm gonna adjust this to a warm color so that they match. But maybe I won't keep it like that, who knows? Okay, so I've just set it to a warm color and now they're both matching. So that looks really nice. So let's test it out. Let's walk towards the kitchen and let's see how it detects my motion. See how sensitive. So, oh, it just turned on. Okay, so that's pretty good. I like that. It really saves energy, because before in the past, you would have to manually turn on the lights just to have them, activate. Now I can just approach the kitchen and it automatically turns on, which is a very nice, smart feature, if I may add. Also, as a side bonus, I have to say this suction bar over here has really saved a lot of space on my counter, my tiny little kitchenette. I definitely recommend getting this because the installation was really easy. You just suck it, you just use the suction cups, you just put it on, and it was able to hold a pretty decent amount of stuff. So I will leave a link in the description for that. I think it goes very well with this type of installation where it requires no tools. You just stick it on. And yeah, if you're in this type of situation like me where you have very limited space, it's definitely recommended. So I quickly want to talk about the LYRIDZ Nightlight. And I have to say this has been a game changer in the bathroom. Finally, I can go into the bathroom, be able to see with its cool, with its really warm light, and not have to turn on the main light, this main switch over here, because that would really disturb my sleep. It would completely blind me at night, and obviously I would have a hard time going back to sleep. So with this Nightlight, it automatically turns on and it lets me, just see. So it works flawlessly. The battery has been excellent, has lasted a very long time, and I haven't had to charge it for like maybe 6 months. So I definitely recommend it. Check it out. I'll leave a link in the description for it. So in conclusion, I have to say LYRIDZ under cabinet LED light is definitely worth it. The installation was painless, very easy to install, and it has really changed the way I wash my dishes or do preparation in the kitchen because I can see a lot better and has definitely changed my life. So anyways, that's it for this video. If you have any questions or comments about these lights, please let me know in the comment section down below. And if you're interested, I will leave links in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.